The 2025 Model Y Juniper is set to make a splash with at least 2 versions, meaning our waiting time is almost over. If you're currently thinking whether to buy the existing Model Y or wait for the new one, then we can say you don't need to wonder anymore because the final answer is set. With just a short wait ahead, the smartest and most logical choice is to hold for the upgraded Model Y Juniper. This next-level EV can bring some compelling features that make the wait worthwhile. Stay tuned as we dive into all of those in today's video. Advanced Matrix LED headlights. It's highly likely that the latest upgrades of a refreshed front and rear design and smart headlight system will make their way to the upcoming Model Y. One of the most exciting advancements is the Matrix LED headlights. The Matrix LED headlights are designed dynamically to adjust both brightness and beam direction based on real-time driving conditions. This means that as you drive at night, the system can automatically dim certain sections of the beam to avoid blinding oncoming traffic, while still providing optimal illumination of the road ahead. Each individual LED module in the Matrix system delivers around 1,200 lumens, which ensures a broader and longer reach of light, making it especially useful in poorly lit areas. Additionally, the headlights can automatically adapt the light spread to follow the vehicle's steering input, offering enhanced visibility when cornering. Advanced front camera. One of the exciting rumors surrounding the 2025 Model Y Juniper is the possibility of it being equipped with a front camera similar to the one in the highly anticipated Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is rumored to be equipped with a cutting-edge front camera as part of its Hardware 4.0 package, featuring high-resolution cameras with capabilities ranging from 5 to 8 megapixels. The inclusion of this camera system in the Model Y Juniper would mean a significant boost in its capabilities for tasks like parking assistance, obstacle detection, and driver aid in challenging driving conditions. The full-width taillight. Another major update expected for the 2025 Model Y Juniper is the introduction of a full-width taillight spanning the entire rear of the vehicle. This new taillight design promises to deliver a sleek, modern look that sets it apart from the current Model Y's vertically separated taillights, which follow the more traditional SUV design. While specific details about the brightness and functionality of the new taillight have yet to be confirmed, based on Tesla's previous models, we can expect the LED lights to offer improved brightness, enhanced visibility, and greater energy efficiency. The T logo. Adding to the backlight transformation is the rumored removal of the T logo from the rear of the vehicle. Instead of the classic Tesla T, the Juniper Model Y will likely feature the illuminated Tesla lettering across the back. This design seems to be gaining traction as a new branding approach for Tesla, emphasizing the name over the logo for a stronger brand presence, larger battery, and extended range. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the 2025 Model Y Juniper is the possibility of a larger battery, which could push the vehicle's range to new heights. The new Model Y may have a range increase of about 10%, bringing it to around 350 miles, 560 kilometers on a single charge. Tesla is expected to achieve this improvement through the use of 4,680 battery cells with dry cathode technology. The dry cathode approach eliminates the need for liquid electrolytes and harmful solvents in the manufacturing process. This innovation boosts the energy density of the 4,680 cells by 15 to 20%, allowing the battery to reach an impressive 380, 400 Wh per kilogram. Beyond increased energy density, the dry cathode technology also improves battery longevity and safety by reducing internal heat generation, minimizing the risk of overheating and extending the battery's life cycle to an estimated 1,500, 2,000 charging cycles, equivalent to 500,000, 1 million kilometers of driving. Additionally, the Model Y Juniper's rumored battery improvements are likely to include faster charging capabilities. Recent reports indicate that Tesla's battery suppliers CATL, and BYD are working on high energy density batteries that can support charging rates of up to 560 kilowatts, drastically reducing charging times. While an 800-volt charging infrastructure is necessary to achieve this, the potential for faster recharging is another reason why the is worth the wait. In addition to the battery upgrades, the 2025 Model Y Juniper is also expected to feature advanced protection with IP69 water resistance from BYD's Blade battery technology. This cutting-edge protection standard allows the battery to withstand submersion in water for up to 72 hours without damage. Moreover, Tesla's advancements in battery technology have led to a significant reduction in production costs. Over the past 18 months, battery prices have dropped by 40 to 50%, which directly impacts the overall cost of producing electric vehicles. Interior upgrades. The interior of the 2025 Model Y Juniper is set to bring several exciting enhancements. One of the most notable updates could be the introduction of the yoke steering wheel, a design seen in the Cybertruck. Unlike traditional circular steering wheels, the yoke features a rectangular shape, enhancing visibility and offering a more sporty driving feel. With a diameter of approximately 300 to 320 mm, this design is intended to provide a clearer view of the road and facilitate easier maneuvering in tight traffic situations. The new Model Y is expected to eliminate the traditional gear shifter. Instead, gear selection will be managed through an intuitive touchscreen interface in the console. This system relies on sensors and cameras to determine driving conditions, enables automatic shifting with a response time of less than 1 second, optimizing the driving experience without manual intervention. Comfort enhancements are also on the horizon for this model. The ventilated seats are anticipated to receive upgrades, incorporating improved cooling technology. Each seat will feature integrated fans with a power output of around 10 watts, capable of reducing seat surface temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius within just 2-3 minutes. Additionally, the new Model Y is likely to see improvements in its interior lighting system. The Juniper may also offer adjustable ambient lighting with up to 70 LEDs covering key areas such as the doors, dashboard, and floor. With the ability to choose from 16 million colors via the central touchscreen, drivers can tailor the lighting to their preferences, enhancing the functionality and aesthetics. Enhanced comfort and handling. The new Model Y suspension system aims to deliver a smoother driving experience across various terrains. It can feature an independent 4-wheel suspension system. This system is well regarded for its balance between handling and stability, crucial for performance-oriented vehicles. This system design enhances the stability and shock absorption on rough surfaces, improving both comfort and handling. The new Model Y may introduce an adaptive suspension system to further refine the driving experience. Adaptive suspension technology adjusts the stiffness of the shocks based on road conditions and driving style, allowing the vehicle to switch between a comfort mode for a smoother ride and a sport mode for more dynamic handling. More ground clearance. The Model Y Juniper will likely to have benefit from its SUV design, offering a ground clearance of around 167 mm 6.6 inches. This is a significant increase, enhancing the new Model Y's ability to navigate uneven terrain and off-road conditions. Tesla's wireless charging. Tesla has recently filed patents for this innovative technology, suggesting that the new Model Y 2025 could support wireless charging capabilities, marking a major advancement in both convenience and efficiency. Wireless charging for electric vehicles, which relies on inductive charging principles, allows energy to be transferred from a ground-based charging pad to a vehicle-mounted receiver coil without physical connectors. Despite the potential for lower charging efficiency compared to wired solutions, Tesla is pushing to improve this with trial models aiming for charging capacities between 7 to 11 kilowatts, which would significantly reduce charging times. This concept mirrors the wireless charging technology used for smartphones but is scaled up for higher power requirements. Comparatively, Tesla is not alone in exploring wireless charging. BMW has introduced wireless charging in selected markets with models like the i3 and 530e since 2018, offering around 3.2 kilowatts, allowing for a full charge in approximately 3 to 4 hours. Audi and Porsche have announced plans to develop higher power wireless solutions, potentially reaching 11 kilowatts, enabling much faster charging. The 2025 Model Y Juniper is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to Tesla's lineup, with its advanced features and improvements across multiple areas. Are you excited about these upcoming features? What aspect do you like the most? Well, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.